don't want your A plus, Abby. Oh, why not? It's you dear. Hey, my. Hey, Charlie. So what I talk you? Please go this way. I want to see something. Go that way. I mean this way.
Well, even know they talk plus like that.
Okay, so now what do you want?
Oh, Charlie.
Juliet.
Yeah, she's the one.
Since morning she left this campus. She's not coming.
What did she do?
You're asking me. By the way,
Wait, one saying this, so where did she go?
my girls.
But you guys are the same group.
You know something? This school is too boring. Can't you see?
And we are here to learn.
There's no entertainment.
You are right. The other time I was thinking about it. I wanted to even discuss with you guys. So what do you guys think? What should we do?
Are we the administrator?
It doesn't matter. We can still plan about it and then go and see her later.
No, forget about that one. If they will add entertainment to our activities, they've done it a long time ago.
Then we should consult their preference. That
There's
is what I'm
nothing we
saying.
can do.
We ladies supposed to think about it. Maybe we need to do like let's say dance, this thing, like to entertain we
Alice, forget about that one. You know something? Do you have Gary? I'm hungry. I have nothing.
Always we come here to always food. Always food. We are thinking about something better.
Why won't I eat? Madam, let me eat too. I can't clean myself.
So always you have to come here.
And you have Gary, you to have me.
Because of you want to beg, you have to bring some issue.
Forget it.
Live here.
Leave me alone. I'm going to.
Go away.
You have me, no, me do.
I don't
Gary,
have.
I'm going to get some.
I don't have.
You sit here and be thinking
Then
about
you
it.
go hungry. You don't have. You are thinking about something that will bring benefits in this school and you are thinking about a career. Don't mind, she wants to come and start. See, let's think about it and then we'll go and see the head issues so that we talk about it. Okay. Hey, you don't know. Hey, you just say when you buy a dress, you don't. So you want me to tell you so that you come and see? I have to go and see. I mean, you know that. Okay. So we meet. Okay.
Allah, Mickey Manson. Mickey Manson. You go check the notice board.
I forget this thing.
I tell you too much. Tell me, I believe you. See, I always the talk you say, hey, without me, you go.
Masa, get out. You they come class. What's up? Why they go?
Masa, boy, yeah, they can't congratulate you. You won't make me fight.
I be like this, bro.
Too much. Charlie, see, I feel you. See,
bro.
I won't make you choose between Wemby, Skybar, or Mansoura.
Where you get the money from?
Get about where I get the money. Even if it go cost me to rob banks, if me I go rob banks.
Charlie, know something? No, forget this thing. See, if you knew a person, no be so. If you knew a person, you know what you go. You know what will happen right now. I will carry you to my house inside. I go do you fine. I don't say the money is.
Telling me die or if I go your house, your father they eye me, dying eye me.
I mean,
like
if you stop, okay, don't. I go send someone to me. You can't do it. That
way go. Charlie, you be too much. Sorry, you be too much.
Why you be foolish? What is do like that?
You know, they do the play platform. Guy, I tell you, still you be too much. Make I know it. Right, I you be too much. Mickey. Mickey. Hey. What do you worry you?
It's nothing.
It's nothing. Day I can't stand here like 30 seconds. You know even notice as you
forget the nothing. What's up? What happened?
They ask me what's up. See how your face do. See how you make pass out. Shall I beat you?
You know, see somebody can beat me, I can't call him. Without you know.
Nah, sometimes they fit discipline when who can't call me. Who discipline you? That's why you make door like that.
Shall we go find something to chop? I guess what comes. Maybe so that you the chop. You feed him all the time. So I will do something.
I say what do you worry?
It's nothing, bro. Forget.
Charlie, I only keep this thing and I won't go for
something. Who said good stuff, man? If you know you're joining.
So you dey go. Okay, you may I go chop the beans, sir.
So, what was it that you wanted to tell me about?
I don't know, I feel so bad, but I need a favor from you. I learned you are done marking the papers, and sincerely, what I wrote, I'm not sure of passing. The only thing I need from you is a favor. Please, I'm begging you. I don't want to miss it again. So kindly help me.
Well, as you know, everyone needs a favor. And for everyone who needs a favor, there is somebody willing to give. But it's just not as free as it seems. You know, in this world, scratch my back, I scratch your back. One hand washes the other. So, if you're willing to give something out, then you're definitely going to have what you need.
What? I can't do anything.
A nice lady like you should know what is involved.
Okay, Prof, what we'll do is that you help me first, then I give you what you want. It's a promise.
But it doesn't work that way. When you go to the grocery to buy something, you're already holding the money. You don't just pick up an item and tell them, I'll pay you tomorrow. It doesn't work that way.
What day?
Now they come home.
That thing. You fine. Enjoyment time. So where they go?
My course mate be say they go peacekeeping and every day. See the last day, the last day, so we forget to going to.
You see, but I know say the money problem. Man for when before we get the money. So if I chop, see, why invest?
So we no go chop Valentine or what?
You go chop aye. You go chop the Valentine. Buy for calm down. You can find money. It no be tomorrow, it no be next tomorrow. Abi?
Okay, me I want this dress for Valentine.
No problem. If the time reach, I yourself will see say your Sakpanyanya dey there. If the time reach, you will see say your Sakpanyanya dey there.
Bye. Okay, I get class, so I will see you later.
Okay. No problem now.
Okay, bye.
Alright. Yes, yes. Some people won't fight with me. I don't know. I mean, Sakpanyanya. If time reach her, the person start to make the guy stop thing. They go this thing here. They go run leave this campus.
I think I'll be able to tell you more by the end of the day. Yeah, sure. How about that? Yeah, I'll let him know.
Hello, Mr. Lecturer.
I'll let him know.
Please, can you hang up? Can you hang up?
I'll call you back. Yeah, I'll call you back in a minute.
I see.
What is it?
I guess you don't know what is in stock for you, so it kind of you are relaxed, or maybe probably you are feeling reluctant to comply.
What is all this about?
Mr. Lecturer, you should know, or you already know, that I have some. You know what I mean? I have your sex video.
What? What are you talking about?
Oh, so you think we are on this campus just to, just pass through? No, we are here to also, we learn and we equally do business. You know what I mean? We are doing business.
What's
all right,
your point?
don't worry. I think you should have a view of this. Come closer. Do this person look like you?
You took video once.
Oh, darling.
What the hell is in your mind?
So, I see what I mean. And when it comes to this, it is business.
What do you want?
I need Benjamin. And when I say Benjamin, it means money. So get ready for me. Excuse me, Mr. Lecturer.
Excuse me, young man. Who? Gentleman. Good afternoon. Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student.
You're a student?
Yeah, I'm level 3 and I'm a student.
And you don't know that you're not supposed to pass here?
Oh, I'm level 3 and so the area there I can pass anyway. The juniors. So
What do you mean? It's not about juniors or seniors or anything. You are not supposed to pass here. Those are the rules.
But I'm a student for here, so I can pass everywhere. Please.
You're a student for here.
I don't know you.
Level 300.
I don't know you for here.
You don't know me.
I don't
know you either.
I'm a student for this campus. Why you? I'm just passing you. Just worry me, please.
Worry you?
Yes. I don't know you, Daddy. I don't know you. I'm passing. I'm just passing you. Just calling me. Distracting me, my mind.
No. Mind your words. If you're a student, I expect you to be very humble.
Yeah.
Get it?
I get it.
Good.
I get it.
So you don't talk to me the way you're talking to me if you're a student.
Okay.
And if you're really a student, you've been here for 3 years, I don't expect you also to not to know the rule that you're not supposed to pass here.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Nobody is excluded.
I'm sorry.
There are no exceptions to this rule.
I'm sorry. Oh, I will say I'm sorry.
So now you're sounding much better.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I like humble students.
Yeah.
If you're humble, my doors are open.
Yeah.
You can come to me anytime. If there's anything we can discuss, I can help you out.
Okay.
Is that clear?
I'm clear. From now on, I'll search you. Please, my name is Ruben. Please, what are the names? I don't know you from campus.
Your name is what?
Ruben.
Ruben.
Yeah, Ruben. Level 300.
No problem. So
I can pass?
Yes, you go.
Okay,
Next time, don't pass here.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Charlie, some bets we have put yesterday where they check on
Bet.
today we for chop on. Hey, Charlie, you know say vows they come.
Sorry, bro. What for do?
Charlie, you know something we for organize some program be all the bitches for the school inside there. I mean, you know that.
Charlie, so this time around, my mind deal like seriously. My day. What figure? Charlie, my mind day inside. Like.
Your mind day.
So
so you come out before. You party before.
Charlie, what's up? Yeah, they come out and they say, Charlie, they go plus popping the mommy so Charlie, that one they be different.
Charlie, you for stop this mommy boy then that daddy boy. Charlie, for stop that you they grow. Charlie, for open your eyes, you for not say the street top you day, you understand? You know they see me. You know they take my life. You know they take my lady.
Why you be TV? I go copy from you. As I get out.
Hey, I pass TV set. So Charlie, you know something. All bills go to your dog, because you know say this time around there nothing better.
Mom, is that what?
Are you shine?
I
go hype you.
Mark Bole. Mark Bole. As I get out. Charlie, do the party, talk the girls will go fit come, Charlie, make you do that.
See my mind day. I see, make bills day your talk. Me, I know what I talk about. And you know bitches I go give you, you know girls I go give you. Mickey, Charlie, bring your mind. For tell me, say yes, I go organize, then see something. Then you know say me I be hype man. So you know shows are the host give people.
Let's see. Charlie, you just okay, you start the process, make it see. Yeah, I will do it.
Make I do one. Charlie,
but you know my taste has been at the light.
You see.
The one we get a big side.
Yes! This is what I want you to be. But if I call the girls, girls go to crash on you, then you go to talk, say, mama, this kind of level. Oh shit, you for not them. You wanna see the girls, you spare them. If girl they feel you, you they feel outside, you for not come. You understand? You see what I did talk you. Now you check like now there your mind inside open. Now you follow the steps, you understand? Go, I for buy you drink.
Let's
go, may I buy you drink. Because now I see say you they grow. Your mind day, you understand? Go make I buy you drink.
So I left
Vicky.
Get out.
Smart bot.